Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the SHANY Rebel Series Pro Makeup Artist's Rolling Train Case, the Curious Black Cat Edition. If you're someone who's serious about makeup organization or a pro on the go, this trolley case might just catch your eye. It's a 30-inch rolling case made with solid ABS and aluminum, designed to keep your beauty arsenal neat and accessible wherever you go. So let's talk features. This case is pretty impressive with its detachable top and bottom partitions, plus adjustable large drawers that can be moved or removed depending on how you want to arrange your stuff. It also includes cosmetics brush holders, which is a nice touch, and the locks are smooth and secure. One thing I really appreciated is the included free mesh cosmetic organizer bags. Those are perfect for smaller items or products you want to separate out. The whole design is sleek and definitely stands out with that mysterious black cat vibe, stylish without being over the top. Now, on to how it actually worked for me in real life. As someone who loves to keep makeup tidy but hates fumbling around when I'm rushing, this case made a big difference. The wheels roll smoothly, and it's surprisingly lightweight for its size. The drawers open easily, and because they're adjustable, you can customize the space based on your needs. Whether you're packing palettes, brushes, or skincare products, I tried it out during a weekend getaway and even for daily at-home use, and it really helps to streamline your routine by having everything in one place. That said, it's a big case, so if you're someone who only needs minimal storage, it might feel a bit bulky. Also, while the locks are smooth, they aren't super heavy-duty, so I wouldn't recommend tossing this around carelessly. Here's what I loved. The customizable compartments are a game changer. You can create exactly the layout that suits your collection, which is rare in cases this size. The build quality feels solid too. The ABS shell protects your products well, and the aluminum frame gives it a sturdy edge. Plus, that mesh bag set is a great bonus that adds more organization options. On the flip side, the trolley handle could be a bit sturdier, and the case is on the pricier side compared to basic makeup bags or smaller organizers. Speaking of price, this case sits at a mid to high range level. Is it worth it? For makeup artists, enthusiasts with large collections, or anyone who travels frequently with their kit, absolutely. You're paying for durability, design, and flexibility. But if you only need to store a handful of essentials, there are cheaper, smaller cases out there that might suit you better without breaking the bank. If you're curious how it stacks up against other Pro Train cases, this one stands out with its combination of adjustable compartments and included mesh bags. Some competitors might offer more heavy-duty locks or slightly lighter frames, but few offer the same level of customization in this price bracket. The case also comes with a 1-year warranty, which gives some peace of mind if anything goes wrong. A nice touch from SHANY, though I haven't had any issues so far. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap up, the SHANY Rebel Series Pro Makeup Artist's Rolling Train Case is a solid choice for anyone needing serious organization with a flair for style. It's perfect for pros or dedicated makeup fans who want to travel or store their collection securely and neatly. If you have a bigger kit and value customizable space, this could be your new best friend. If you're more casual or on a budget, you might want to consider simpler alternatives. Thanks so much for watching. You'll find the purchase link in the description or comments below. And if you've already tried this case, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.